Welcome to Villa Avanti. This is a brand new 5-bedroom villa in the heart of Terres Basses. Let me show you around. The villa overlooks Long Beach, which is right there. One of my favorite features about the property is the beach-style slope going into the pool. There's also a deeper section that would allow you to do laps as well. Here to the left, we have the amazing gazebo with a wet bar. Now let's go check out the kitchen. Villa Avanti's kitchen comes with all high-end appliances, a full-size refrigerator, full-size freezer. We have a Wolf oven here, all Wolf appliances. There are 2 independent coolers and a wine cooler. The cooktop is also Wolf. And come over here, I'll show you the living room and dining room. The dining room set and table comes from Roche-Beaubois. And then over here, the living room couch is also Roche-Beaubois, very comfortable. And as you can see, there's a lot of attention to detail. Over here, this is all done custom for the villa. And here we have the outdoor seating area. This is Minuti furniture. And as you can see, this is what it's all about. Let's go see the first bedroom. All the bedrooms have king-size beds, en-suite bathrooms. All bathrooms have dual sinks, and 4 out of the 5 bathrooms have outdoor and indoor showers. Now let me show you the entertainment room. The room is covered with cork soundproofing material to help with the sound. There's also a surround sound Bose system and a very large flat screen TV. This is bedroom number 2. This bedroom comes with a walk-in hotel-style closet with a safe and a luggage rack. The doors leading to the bathroom are swivel doors. To your right, there's a jungle-style outdoor bathroom. Again, dual sinks. And over here, the indoor shower. This is bedroom 3. It's got a view onto the pool and the ocean. And the bathroom is like bathroom 1 and 2 with dual sinks and an outdoor shower. This is bedroom number 4. This bedroom is unique because the beds can be turned into 2 single beds, and it also has a connecting door to the master bedroom. So if people come with their children or want to be under the same roof, then they can just unlock these doors and access the master bedroom. And now we're in the master bedroom. This bedroom has the most privacy out of all of the bedrooms. There's a living room style space here, a desk, and although this bathroom doesn't have an outdoor shower, you can access the outside through this door, and here you have your very own jacuzzi. And then again, a little private space for whoever is staying in the master. Other amenities to mention is that this house comes with its very own water desalination plant and generator. In all, this house is really unique. It has a lot of great features, and we certainly hope to see you at Avanti sometime soon.